You are the victim of a crime. It happens every single day in plain sight. There is no broken glass. There is no alarm. And there is certainly no police report. They call it inflation. But at Money Mortem, we call it what it really is, a stealth tax. A deliberate, mathematical erosion of your labor. If you are holding cash, you are slowly bleeding to death. Welcome to Money Mortem. Today, we perform the autopsy on your purchasing power. Inflation isn't an accident of nature. It is a mechanism of transfer. It shifts wealth from the prudent to the reckless. When the money supply expands faster than the economy, the currency in your pocket dies a little. Every dollar you own now commands a smaller slice of the global pie. It is a dilution of your life's work. Governments love inflation. It allows them to pay back massive debts with cheaper, devalued dollars. But you pay the price. The saver, the retiree, the employee waiting for a 3% raise in a 7% world. Let's cut open the numbers. You think your high-yield savings account is safe? Let's look closer.
And the government taxes that interest, your real return is zero. You aren't moving forward. You are merely running on a financial treadmill that is slowly speeding up just to stay in the same place. History is a graveyard of dead currencies. From Rome to Weimar, the story is always the same. They dilute the coin until it is worthless. We are seeing the exact same patterns today. Since 1913, the dollar has lost over 96% of its purchasing power. This is not a bug. It is a feature. The 1970s taught us that cash is trash during inflationary spikes. Those who held assets survived. Those who held cash suffered a slow financial death. The greatest trick is the illusion of gains. You see your stock portfolio number go up, but that higher number buys fewer things. You have more currency, but less wealth. This gap between price and value is where they steal from you. Invisible, silent. If you are sitting in cash right now, you are sitting on a burning fuse. So how do you survive the heist? You cannot save your way out. You must invest your way out. You need hard assets, things that cannot be printed by a central bank. Real estate, commodities, assets that stand firm when the currency storm hits. You must anchor your wealth in the physical world. Equities in companies that produce real value. Businesses that have pricing power, the ability to raise prices without losing customers. Cash is melting ice. Assets are granite. You must convert your melting labor into solid storage. Diversification is your armor. Do not put all your faith in a single currency that is being printed into oblivion. The theft is invisible, but the loss is real. Stop being a victim. Start being an owner. Do not let the illusion of safety blind you. Wake up, audit your finances, secure your future.